I am thrilled to have you for our first Learning Skills for Life graduation in our history. You've had this opportunity to have this curiosity satisfied through Diageo's Learning Skills for Life program.
This is amazing to have you all have completed this. And what Diageo is doing is brilliant and kind. And we are so grateful to Diageo to have brought you all to us to do this, to share this passion for this industry and this craft.
It went smoothly. I learned my skills. It was just a great learning experience for me personally. I just thought I would never be a bartender, but now I am, and dreams do come true.
We have some very, very stellar students that have actually already landed at some very reputable bars and restaurants throughout New Orleans, and I couldn't be more proud of them.
I think Diageo is a remarkable company. They're giving back to the community with the programs that they're establishing all over the country, and we're producing some great bartenders with it.
I'm thinking maybe doing like weddings possibly, or working in a restaurant. I walked in virtually knowing nothing, and now I feel like I'm an expert.
Hey! The experience of winning the contest was absolutely amazing. To have homework that was actually a part of a competition and then turning around and winning a trip to New York with Diageo was mind-blowing.
Welcome and congratulations.